I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get better stream quality in Discord. So video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can increase your quality of your stream in Discord. So basically let me just stream something. I'm going to stream my screen over here on Discord. So I'm just going to I'm going to share my screen over here by screen. Once I click on screen, it's going to ask me which screen to share, but since I'm just opening Discord, it's showing over here, but I can share whatever is displayed on my screen as well. I'm going to click on this. And as you guys can see, once I'm over here, it's gonna ask me the quality over here. I can stream in 15 frame rates or in 3D, or I can have custom. I can go for smoother video, better quality. But to increase your video quality, you can just click on where it says resolution. Right now it's in 720. To change it, you can click on 1080. So right now I can't do it because I need to unlock Discord Nitro. By Discord Nitro, I mean you need to buy premium version of Discord. So Discord Nitro is kind of like a premium version of Discord, where you like pay Discord on monthly basis or yearly basis, and like a lot of other stuff gets unlocked. But if you don't have Discord Nitro, then sorry, you can't stream more than 720, which is your native resolution in Discord. To increase, you need to buy Discord Nitro. And yeah, you can also increase your frame rate from 30 to 60, but if you don't have Discord Nitro, as I told you, 30 is the max. Or you can also change it over here from custom to better textable, reliability, or smoother video, but I like to keep it on custom, alright? Because in custom it's easy. But to increase the resolution, basically just change 720 to 1080 and 30 to 60. But for that, you need Discord Nitro. And after you change it, you can basically just click on go live and the screen will start to go live like this. So that's basically how you guys can, stream on better quality. Let me close my stream over here by clicking on stop streaming. So yeah, you need to buy Discord Nitro and then you can go to 1080p and 60 FPS.